guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I have teamed up with a very special brand. I've teamed up with NutriHerbs from Instagram. I will link their Instagram handle down below. They have sent me their coffee body scrub that exfoliates your skin. It has your skin looking healthier, better. It has cell regeneration in it. It helps with eczema, dry skin, scars, stretch marks, all of that. It's combined with sweet almond oil and macadamia oil. You guys will leave your skin feeling so soft and so smooth. And I'm super excited to try this out. So if you want to see how I exfoliate my body using this coffee scrub from NutriHerbs, just keep watching. All right guys, to start out with, we're going to take some body scrub in our hands, and then we're just going to, with the skin wet, begin to just rub into circular motions. It says to wet the skin first and to rub in circular motions, and it does help with blood circulation, so that is a plus. And the directions are really simple. After you rub in circular motions, it says to let it sit on the skin for 5 minutes and then you rinse off. So pretty simple directions, not hard to use. And yeah, so this is what you see me doing here. As you can see here in my water, it does get kind of messy. That's the only thing that I didn't really care about. Other than that, it was really great. And the smell wasn't too bad. I mean, it just smelled like coffee. If you don't like coffee, then you're probably not going to like this, but to me, it didn't bother me. I'm a coffee drinker. I love coffee, so either way, it didn't matter. So after you have it on the skin, it does say to let it set for 5 minutes and then come back and rinse everything off. So I did speed it up for the purpose of this video. I let it set for 5 minutes and I came back and I started to rinse my legs off, rinse my arm off. And probably you guys, if you would turn the shower on and use the shower instead of filling up the bathtub like I did, it probably wouldn't make as much as the mess, but it did leave a lot of the body scrub particles in the bottom of my bathtub. But like I said, all you have to do is turn the shower on and it probably wouldn't be as much of a mess. So afterwards, you can see my skin feels really soft. It feels really smooth. Very big difference right away. So that was a plus for me. So I'm back with my final thoughts and reviews of the NutriHerbs Coffee Body Scrub. You guys, it does make your skin feel really good. Like my skin feels super soft right now. Very nice feeling, and you can actually like feel the oils and kind of see the oils like beat up on your skin. The only downfall I would have to say is that it does kind of create a little bit of a mess in your bathtub. But other than that, I mean, I give it a thumbs up. You guys should definitely check out their website. Again, it's beautibyelle.com. I will link their Instagram handle in the description below, and also their website. They have different like face masks and essential oils, things like that. So if you guys are really into skincare, I think it would be worth checking them out. So a big thank you to NutriHerbs for reaching out to me to do this video for you guys. And remember, you guys, check them out. You won't be disappointed. And yeah, until next time, remember to just stay beautiful. I have a website that I will link down below, and they reach out to me. Is that a word, retch me? I mean, they got at me in my DM. Taco Bell open. Coffee body scrub, exfoliating, new coffee body exfoliating. Yeah. Yeah.